Hello children, let's sing the song Ding Dong. Ready, this is your starting sound. Ready, go. Hear the morning church bells play. Hear it sound at break of day. Good day, good day. Now, I want you to fill in the solfege. The first line, you start with do. Do. Second line, you start from mi. Mi. Do, 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 do. Are you done? Now let's check the answer. The first line. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do. Mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi. Do, 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 do. Do you get all correct? If yes, well done. If no, no worries, we can always do it the next time. Now, I want you to sight sing this. Before you sing, please clap it for your teacher. Let's check the first one. This is your do. Answer. Ready. Do, re, do, mi, re, mi. The second one. Mi. Mi, fa, mi, re. The third one. Mi, fa, sol, mi. And the last one. You start from re. Re, mi, fa, mi, re, do. Now let's check out the whole thing. From the beginning, this is your do. Ready, go. Do, re, do, mi, re, mi. Mi, fa, mi, re, mi, fa, sol, mi, fa, mi, re, do. Do you get all correct? Good. That's all for today. Thank you.